the 2023 Toyota Yaris. Now we will add Lonsdor K518 Pro to add a new key for this car. Okay, let's go. Now we are in the car, so now we connect this OBD cable with the car. Okay, now this one is the original key. This one is new key. We need to program this new key for this car. First, choose in mode and remote. Choose Toyota, select from vehicle, and we choose Yaris. After 2021, choose smart key. First, we detect the key card. Open the door and turn ignition on. Green OK. Okay, now the key card only one, this original key. Now we select add new key. Okay, now the door is open and the ignition is turned on. So green OK. Okay, hold the program key to the bus. It will ring 2 times, and now put the new key. Okay, it will ring 3 times. Programming is completed. Green OK. Now after we programming the new key, we can detect the key card again. Okay, now key card is 2. It means original key and the new key. Now we text the remote function for these 2 keys. At first, original key, lock, unlock, change the new key, lock, unlock. Okay, 2 keys working normal. Okay, now we text the smart function. We leave only 1 key inside and put another key outside. Now turn on the ignition. Okay, smart function is good. Okay, now this is the new key we just programming with the cars. Now we text start the ignition. Okay, new key.